Hey guys, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can create this text effect without stress. So in this video I'm going to show you details how you can simply create this text effect and how you can easily reuse it for your any design. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new video like this on this channel. And also make sure you like this video and share it with other people. So by doing this you help this channel and you help your others, right? And also make sure you watch this video to the end so you can get well details on how I create this text effect. So let's dive into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to image size in order to change the size of this canvas. So I'm going to choose YouTube thumbnail for this tutorial. So no, let me firstly delete this first so I can get you. Let me delete it. Let me change it to default, and so let me go to image size like that, and let me simply change it to YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to choose a color for my home background. So for the color of my home background, let me simply go to background interface. So now, though I have a color here that I can choose, but in order to get full details on this tutorial, so let me go type on this to choose my color. So for the middle of this gradient I will tap on this and tap on this, and also make sure you pay attention to those color codes that I'm going to type, because by this you get well design of this text effects. So here let me type my color code. So my color code is FFC C400 and next. So press OK and OK. So for the edges, I'm going for FF8200. Next. So now I've gotten my home background, so let me simply press OK. So and the next thing I'm going to do is to edit my text. So here I'm going to use welcome. So let me go to font to add font to it. So let me go to my font. So here I'm going to choose font. Let me quickly search for the font. Olivia sounds good. So I think so this is the font that I'm going to use, and also this is the font you are going to use in order to get a well text effect. So now I will drop the link in the description below in order to get this font. So press OK and let me enlarge it a little bit. So it's okay like this. So let me simply go to curve and let me bend it by 10. So it took it like this, and let me go to shadow and apply shadow. So yeah, let me choose color and the color code. So the color code for the shadow is 8F2000. Next. And opacity to 90. Let me change it to opacity. No, I think 91 is okay. Huh? Let me make it 90. So 90 is okay, and the blur radius is okay at 10, and the offset X should be -7. So and the offset Y should be 7, ordinary 7. So it's okay like this. So let me go to 3D effect to apply 3D on it. 3D text effect, and so here let me change it to oblique and go to smooth lighting in order to just avoid those straps on it. So, and the oblique angle should be around 260. It took it like, yes, 260. No, 2. And also the depth should be 30, and the darken color should be 40%. Mistake. Okay, like this. So let me simply go to color and so I'm going to change this color. So let me tap on it and type the text effects, the color code rather, F5 F5 F5, and so, and also let me copy this. So let me firstly add stroke to it. Let me add stroke, and the stroke should be around 42. Let me make it, yeah, yes, 42 is okay like this. And the stroke color, let me also use the color that I used. So yeah, I'm going to use F5 also for the stroke color, so it will tally with the color that I used before. 5. So the next thing I'm going to do is to copy this. So here I'm going to just disable the stroke. So yeah, and press OK. So let me bring it here, and also let me go to color and change the color. So yeah, the color code, let me type the color code here. So the color code is 85200 and 0. And also let me go to texture. So the image that I'm going to use for the texture has also been provided at the description box below. So to access it, you will just go to the description box below and tap on the link you see there. So I've uploaded it there. So yeah, let me go here. So this is the image I'm going to use for the texture. So let me press on my, and let me increase this scale and press OK. So let me go to stroke to add stroke to it. Let me reduce the stroke to 70. And change the color to this. So let me go to 3D. And let me quickly go to opacity. No, 260. I've done a mistake here. Oh, I'm sorry for this. So let me go to shadow now, and let me increase this shadow to shadow opacity to 100% and reduce the blur radius to 50, 5 rather. Let me change it to 5. So and the offset x should be -4, and the offset y should be 4, just ordinary 4. So for the stroke, let me change the stroke color to gradient, and for the top, for the top, let me type this. let me type ff 7 7 6 0 and 3 0 and 3 rather. So, and also for the top, for the bottom, so let's quickly type the color code. So ff 3 0 0 and 0. So let me also go back to stroke just to change this stroke size. Let me change it to 15. It's okay at 15. So let me copy this in order just to get something like emboss on it, so it will make our text effects looks professional. So let me copy this. So here I'm going to disable the shadow. Let me disable this because we don't want all these on this, just to create something similar to emboss. So let me also go to color, and so let me go to color here and go to drag this to become transparent. So because we need something transparent for here, so let me go to stroke in order to just reduce its stroke. So let us reduce its strokes to something 5. It's okay. So and change the stroke color, I think. So let's compare back to this. So let us also go to texture and delete this. And also, so yeah, let us go back to stroke just to change the stroke color, and I think the stroke and stroke color. So let us write the color code. So ff e v n 3 no 3 b. So next, so this is what we want. And also let's remove these 3D text effects, and also I think I've removed shadow. Yes, so let's align these together in order to know what we have gotten. So let's just align it with others. And this also, and this. I think we have gotten something similar to what we want. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to go to shadow to apply shadow on it. Let's enable it, and here we want our shadow opacity should be around 85. Yes, and the blur radius should be 2. Yes, it took it like 2 at 2 rather. So yeah, we want our shadow color should be the same as the color we use for the stroke, which is this yellow. So it took it like this, and let's add to opacity. So yeah, the opacity, in order to get what we want for the opacity, we enable this, and the next thing we are going to do is to move this opacity to here. No, with this, enable this and move it here. So what I don't want you to do is just not to disable this. If you just enable this like this, so you can see, you won't know, like you won't see anything again. But if you just disable it, you will be able to get something like this. So this is exactly what we want. So here we type on okay, and we move it at the center. So now you can see that we have got what we want here. So you can see now, as it looks professional now, I think. So you can see now we have got exactly what we want. So in order to save it, so you can reuse it whenever you want to design something new thing, and you just wish to use this text effect on it, so you just tap on it and go to styles, and you tap on save, and okay. So you will also save the other text and tap on save. You save it, and also you type on styles and you save it, and you press on okay. So now we can delete all those steps. Now let's delete it. So yeah, let me type a new thing. Maybe let me type simple. Oh no, let me type king age. King ages. I think it took it like this. So let me increase its size. It took it at, I think, let me make it something like 100. So let me move it at the middle, just at the center, and let me copy it. Copy and copy. So now we have 2 more copies, and let's move to styles and go to browse and my styles. So we firstly pick this for it, and the next one we move here, and my styles, and we also pick this. So as you can see, and we move here, my styles, and we pick on this. So we can align it now. So let us move the other one to the front. So now you can see that we have gotten what we want. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and turn on the notification bell to get notified wherever I drop new tutorial like this on this channel. And do well to like this video. Please make sure you like and share it to other people, so you can help others people that need something like this. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial, and also I will drop a PDF in order to get some those color code that I used on this design, and also the resources that I use, especially the image I use for the texture. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.